kami sa Culver's guys for lunch. To-take away lang namin. Yung, yes, please. Take away lang yung yung meal namin. Doon na kami sa bahay kakain. Thanks, Mala! Thank you. Mala! Punta na kami kina grandma guys. It's now 2:57. Although sabi nila is 4 o'clock pa yung dinner, but punta na kami in advance para makapagkwentuhan pa. Ayun. And then after pala kami nag-lunch, kami guys, nag-power nap. Siguro natulog kami na around 20 to 25 minutes. So I feel much better now. How about you, my love?
Okay.
You feel rested? Yeah, I feel rested too. So ito yung itsura ng neighborhood guys. Pakita ko sa inyo ha. Mostly sa mga bahay may pool sila sa may sa likod. Maganda siya. Tapos we are going out of the neighborhood. And ang labas nito guys, paglabas namin dito, hindi pa kami aabot sa highway, is may Walmart. Hindi pa kami liliko sa highway, is may Walmart siya sa dito lang. Yan, yung may sasakyan na nakita nyo. Ayan. Yan yung sa Walmart guys. Sobrang lapit lang. Diyan. Walmart na yan. Dito na yung highway. Pabalik na kami sa bahay. Galing kina grandma, and we all had a great time, and first time kong ma-meet yung ang mga cousin, yung ibang cousin ni Ken, so it was so nice meeting them in person, and they were all very warm and friendly, and they're very welcoming, so thank you Lord. And ayun, nag-order yung uncle ni Ken ng pork adobo.
Turn right.
Pork adobo tsaka pansit. Tapos naka-Sharon. Sharon, I'll explain it to you later. Kami guys. May BH sa Bisaya. Naka-BH may ugkuan. Ang tray mismo ang idala sa pork adobo ug ang pansit. So sure na for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner maybe kung ano pa siya, kung okay pa. It was really good, and we also had other food like mashed potato, green beans, we had cake, here stuffed,
At the light, turn right onto Cypress Gardens Boulevard.
Card games. Hindi ako nag-video kasi hindi ako nahihiya ako na mag-video na nahihiya ako kasi hindi ko alam ko maging comfortable sila, so hindi ko na lang but we have a couple of pictures, and ayun, we're just so happy that almost everyone came, although merong a few people na wala kasi meron sila mga prior commitments, but sabi nga nila nung uncle ni Ken na it's been
In 1.7 miles,
so long
turn left
since
onto US 27 North.
may bumisita na gano'n